Kangaroo. The kangaroo is a marsupial native to Australia. It is well known for its powerful hind legs, which enable it to jump great distances at high speeds. Kangaroos are the largest marsupials and can grow up to 6 feet tall, with males often weighing over 200 pounds. Kangaroos are herbivores and feed primarily on grasses, though they may also eat leaves, bark, and fruits. They have a unique digestive system that allows them to extract the maximum amount of nutrients from their food. Kangaroos are also known for their distinctive pouches, where they carry and nurse their young. Female kangaroos can have up to 3 joeys at different stages of development, a young joey still in the pouch, an older joey that may be seen peeking out of the pouch, and a weaned joey that is no longer in the pouch. Kangaroos are an important symbol of Australia and are featured on the country's coat of arms. They are also popular in culture and media, often portrayed as friendly, cartoonish characters. Kangaroo life. The life of a kangaroo can vary depending on its species and its environment. However, most kangaroos share some general characteristics in their life cycle. A female kangaroo, or a doe, gives birth to a tiny, underdeveloped joey, which then crawls into her pouch to continue its development. The joey will spend several months in the pouch, nursing and growing until it is strong enough to venture out and explore the world. Once the joey leaves the pouch, it will continue to rely on its mother's milk for several more months until it is fully weaned. During this time, the mother will continue to care for and protect her young, often carrying it in her pouch or allowing it to ride on her back. As the joey grows older and more independent, it will start to spend more time exploring and foraging for food on its own. Male kangaroos, or bucks, will also start to compete with each other for mates and territory. Kangaroos are generally social animals and will often gather in groups called mobs. These mobs can range in size from a few individuals to over 100, depending on the species and the available resources in the area. Overall, kangaroos can live up to 6 to 8 years in the wild, although some species, such as the red kangaroo, have been known to live up to 20 years in captivity. Is human-friendly? Kangaroos are wild animals, and like any wild animal, they should be treated with caution and respect. While there are some reports of friendly kangaroos, it is important to remember that they are still wild animals and can be unpredictable. In general, kangaroos are not considered to be human-friendly. They are known for their strong, powerful legs and can use them to defend themselves if they feel threatened or cornered. Kangaroos have been known to attack humans if they feel threatened, especially if they are in pain or stressed. If you encounter a kangaroo in the wild, it is important to keep a safe distance and avoid approaching it. Do not attempt to touch or feed a kangaroo, as this can be dangerous for both you and the animal. It is best to observe kangaroos from a distance and respect their space. If you are in an area where kangaroos are common, it is also a good idea to learn about their behavior and habitat. This can help you avoid potential conflicts and stay safe while enjoying the natural beauty of these fascinating animals. Kangaroo babies. Kangaroo babies, or joeys, are born very small and underdeveloped. At birth, a joey is about the size of a jelly bean and weighs less than a gram. After birth, the joey crawls into the mother's pouch and attaches itself to one of the teats, where it will continue to develop. Inside the pouch, the joey will continue to grow and develop for several months, relying on its mother's milk for nutrition. The mother's pouch provides a safe and warm environment for the joey to grow, and the milk is specially adapted to meet the joey's nutritional needs. As the joey grows and becomes more independent, it will start to venture out of the pouch and explore the world around it. However, it will continue to return to the pouch to nurse and rest. Eventually, the joey will become fully weaned and will leave the pouch for good. The length of time a joey spends in the pouch varies depending on the species of kangaroo. For example, the red kangaroo's joey may spend up to 8 months in the pouch, while a wallaby's joey may only spend around 6 months. Once the joey is fully weaned, it will start to develop its own social connections and learn important skills, such as foraging for food and defending itself. Eventually, the joey will become a fully grown kangaroo and will be able to reproduce and continue the cycle of life. Is Australia national animal? Yes, the kangaroo is considered to be one of the national animals of Australia, along with the emu. The kangaroo is an important symbol of Australia and is featured on the country's coat of arms, as well as on many other national symbols and emblems. Kangaroos are a significant part of Australia's natural heritage and are also important to the country's economy and tourism industry. In addition to being admired for their unique physical characteristics and behaviors, kangaroos are also valued for their meat, hides, and other products. While there are several species of kangaroo, the red kangaroo is the largest and most iconic and is often used as a symbol of Australia's rugged and untamed wilderness.